Hello and welcome to the Bead Gallery for another news update. You already know here at the Bead Gallery we're crazy for beads, but we're also crazy for kits. Starting on February 12th and running through Friday, February 18th, we're having a crazy kit sale. All in stock kits, that's almost 400, will be on sale. What a perfect way to spend a cold winter day. All kits will be 20% off while supplies last, and patterns are sold separately. Some kits are in very limited supply, so don't miss out. You'll be crazy for our kits because we give you everything you need.